Why are we confused? The people, Muslims today are confused. Everyone's confused. Confused between, should I choose this life or should I choose the hereafter? People are confused. Should I commit the sin or should I not commit the sin? Should I start praying or should I not start praying? People are confused. The sister's confused. Should I wear to the hijab today or tomorrow? Should I take a loan with riba from the bank or should I not do that? Should I fast or should I delay my fast? Should I do Hajj now or should I delay it? People are confused. Why? Why the confusion? People are confused between choosing what Allah Azza wa Jal wants and what their own desire calls them to. Why the confusion? When Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has said in the Quran, قُلْ إِنَّ الْهُدَى قُلْ إِنَّ هُدَى اللَّهِ هُوَ الْهُدَى. Allah Azza wa Jal, He said that the guidance of Allah is the only guidance. There is no other path. The road to Allah Azza wa Jal is clear. 600 pages in the Quran, they tell us that the only way to success and happiness in this life is to follow this one path of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Only one way. However, it's the temptations and the pleasures of this worldly life that continuously distract us. And it is the million responsibilities that you and I have during the day and during the night that confuse us. And this is why Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, He gives us times during the year so we can collaborate and wake up. And now we are in one of these times where we're supposed to focus on and take maximum benefit from. This is Shahrullahi al-Muharram. This is the blessed month that we are in right now.